Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to discuss a problem that came in 2015 IIT JAM paper. It was related to Jacobian. Okay. So the problem is, consider the coordinate transformation. A certain type of coordinate transformation is given. The transformation is given as x bar x prime is equal to x plus y divided by root 2, and y prime is equal to x minus y divided by root 2. Okay, so this is our coordinate transformation. You know what is coordinate transformation? Suppose this is x, this is y. Let us consider another coordinate system, which is y prime and x prime. Suppose we people denote this point P here as x comma y, and if we just put this P over here, we denote this as x prime and y prime. So if we want to relate these two coordinate system, we are going to relate with this thing. Okay, that is, this x prime equalizes x plus y divided by root 2 and y, as you can see. Okay, this is not so important for this problem. I think you know what is coordinate transformation, because if you have studied special theory of relativity or some of the basic portions of classical mechanics, that first chapter, the Galilean transformation, right? Yeah, you know what is coordinate transformation. If you don't know, you may comment. I'm ready to make a video on it. Okay, so let's go to the next part. So the relation between the area elements is given by dx bar, I mean prime, dy prime, and dx dy is given by j dx dy. Okay, so this is the relation between the area element. Okay, this area element and this area element has a relation, and it is saying that it is this. So what is the value of j? Okay, so this is the question. It came in JAM 2015. So I think the 2015 question was set by Guwahati, right? So the given relation is this, this, this thing. So for finding the value of j, can we write j is equal to this thing? Okay, can you now connect to Jacobian thing? I hope yes. If you have seen just the previous video, you can easily solve this. What is the formula? J U V. I am writing the basic things. Del U, this is the line of x. Del V, del x. Del V, del y. Del U, del y. Del V, del y. Okay. And in this case, our U is x prime, our V is y prime. Okay, so the value of j is del x prime, del x, del y prime, del x again, del sorry, del this is x prime del y. Yeah, so this is our value. So now pause the video and calculate, which is very easy. Just a simple determinant by putting the values of x prime is equal to x plus y root 2 and y prime is equal to x minus y root 2. चलो नेक्स्ट पेज में जाए. So see, I am doing it directly. Del x prime del x, make this derivative. This is 1 upon root 2 and this will be 0. So you know this. If you don't know, I can't help, sorry. I know you can do it. You know how to solve partial differential equations. Partial differentials. And del y, del x, this one again 1 upon root 2. Okay. And del x prime del y, so this will give you 0. This is 1 upon root 2. And the final one, y prime y, this will give you minus 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root. So what is the value? This into this minus this. So it's minus 1. Sorry, minus half. And again minus half. So it is minus 1. So what is the value of j? J is equal to minus 1. Okay. So by solving this easy problem, you are defeating your competitor by at least 50 to 100 rank. So this type of problems are important and you get a +2. Okay, no, this type of problem will come in 2 marks only. A little bit of calculation is there. I don't know what they have given in +1 or +2. Don't give so importance on +1 and +2. Just give importance to the negative marking, because they will just disturb your ranking, you know. They can cause a decrement of your rank. So, okay, don't focus on rank and all, focus on your study, have a fun. I hope you can understand the first problem. I will do 2 or 3 problems from previous year, because then after that, after completion of the entire syllabus, we are going to solve many problems from all the chapters of mathematical physics. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed, and if you have any problem, kindly comment it down. Thank you.